So here we are now, waiting to go on the Hyperia. And look who's with us now, Granny Poke Poke. And we're waiting to go on there, Hyperia. So let's see how this goes and let's see how shaky she is when she gets off.
Guys, I am literally petrified. Keep seeing all these little kids going on there and I am literally petrified. Help!
Let's wait and see what Granny crashed into now. Look at that face. Chicken! It's got to be something.
If you're essentially sort of like, if you're a fan for you, just joining the it makes it something is around 35 minutes. So thank you.
What you? No, that was just say the queue time's 35 minutes.
Oh.
Sorry guys, we're freaking out.
Yeah, going on. Oh, here we are, next in line to go up the lift for Hyperia. Oh, look at that face.
I'm scared, guys, I'm scared.
She's absolutely petrified.
More cool around here though.
Bit cooler now we're out that sun.
Yeah, it's really hot down there.
And there's the lift. When it comes back down and the two individuals that are already up there come down, we can go up. And you're right by the entrance of the station.
Guys, I'm scared.
Yeah. Yay, we're in the lift. You gotta wait for the door to shut.
Alright.
It's slow.
Thank you.
It really is slow.
Oh sugar, here we go guys.
Ding 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 ding.
Oh, I'm
I
dreading
can barely.
this.
Oh god, look at that. That's too
I'm
close.
dreading this.
And we're heading on up. Oh, it's one of
Face your
those lifts.
feelers. It's time to face your feelers.
You ain't fearless, you're as chicken shit.
I'm scared, guys. Don't say I never do out for you. I'm scared.
And then we come up and there's the door and
Don't
there's
be
the
scared.
station.
Sorry, excuse my language.
And there's the station. I didn't like that. So what did you think of that?
Wow. I screamed, but it was wow. That was worth it.
Oh, I didn't like it at all. My
You
bum,
didn't?
yeah, my bum was out the seat too much. I don't feel comfortable when it does that.
Wow.
And it only has a lap restraint, not a shoulder restraint.
The only one that made me scream. Wow.
Yeah. Right, we're here. And nearly at the top.